Hello everyone. Good evening.
Good morning, ma'am.
So anyone else going to join or you only 3 people?
No, they might be joining, I think.
I guess Namrata will join. No,
Okay, fine. We'll wait for 2 minutes. So yesterday class, whatever we have covered, any doubt on that?
till now, no, Arpita.
Okay, so you have understood rank, dense rank, lead, lag, then row number, everything, right? So what does rank function do?
It gives same values to the same rows, score, and then it skips values, like score skips values.
It skips the actual value and it gives the next number.
It
Yeah,
gives the values, it gives the same ring to the values which are ties, and it will skip the consecutive values. And then it will provide the next value to that. And what about the row number?
Row number will be
uh, row gives the unique records to each rows,
yeah.
but within the window, like consecutive value.
Yeah, unique value to each row within the windows. And what about dense rank?
Dense is it won't skip any
Yeah,
value.
it
Consecutive
It
number like
provides consecutive ranks to the values even though even though 2 records are ties or 2 or more records are ties, give the next consecutive value to the next row of the table. Okay. And lead function, suppose you want to get the next year sale. You want suppose you want to compare the current row with the next row. In that case, you can use the lead functions. Lead functions will be useful when you are calculating the current and previous year sale, or you want to get your future next year sale if you want to get, and you want to find out the sales difference percentage. Then in that case, you can use lead functions. And lag function, it will provide you the current and it will provide the previous rows data. So whenever you want to have compare with current and previous year, you can use lag functions. So today I'll be showing one more example for lead and lag. Then we'll move to the okay, let me show first lead and lag one example, then we'll move to the case statement, and I want to show you how to remove the duplicates, how to delete the duplicates from the tables. So let me open my SQL Studio. Just give me a minute. So suppose you have one Excel file, okay, and you want to load the data to the table. So you guys knows how to do it. I'll show it to you in SQL Server how you can create load a table Excel file to the any database. You can try with your corresponding database, whichever you are using it. So here in SQL Server, click on the schema, whichever you want to load the create the table using the Excel file or CSV file. Right click on that, go to the task. There is an option called import data. Click on this. Okay. Then go here. Select the source as a Microsoft Excel. Provide the Excel source path. So here I have, let me see. Yeah, I want to take the order data. So here I have orders. The next is I want to provide my destination. So my destination is SQL Server. So here I'm providing it. It is window authentication for me. If you have SQL Server authentication, you can provide username and password. Okay. Then provide the database. Default, it is taking my data schema name. That is the ETL training. So next you will go. Here you can copy the data from one table. If you are writing some script, like if you want to load the data using the script, then enable this one and write the scripts. But I'm copying the data from the Excel. So click on next. Here you provide your table name. Default, it is taking dbo.order. So even I do not want to change. Click on mapping. Here you can see what is the mapping for this. So in destinations, the table like order ID, then order date. I'm not able to say anything over here. Let's ignore it. Okay, then click on next, then finish. I'm getting some error message. Go back. Order ID. I'm not getting any. I'm not getting any values over here for this person ID only it is getting. Okay, cancel it. Go here. Yeah, now it is coming. See, row ID, order ID, order ID, order date, the corresponding column, it got mapped. So click on OK. Go to the next, then click on finish. So I have 9,000 record, it got loaded. So now you can go to the schema and you can check here. ETL training dot, my table name was dbo.superstore orders. So here you can execute it. So I have this data. So now I want to use the lead. I want current and previous year sales. So how I'll do it? First, you need to do like this, that from this order date, I'll take only the year part. So which function will use to get the year part from the order date? Can anyone tell me?
Date function?
No, I want a year from the date. Order date, I want, suppose 2020 11/08. So I want only the 2020. Which function should I use?
It should be year. No.
Year
Right.
you can use. Let us use
Date part,
year.
like
Date
select
part
date.
also you can use. You can use year. Anything you can use, whichever is fine for you. Here year also it works. So you can use year. Now what I'm doing, I want sum of sales. So sum of, what is the column for sales? It is sales only. Sales. Sum of sales as sales amount from dbo dot suppose orders. Okay. Now you run this. What is group by? I have not put group by. This is the thing. Copy this. Incorrect sentence as some of cells. Acha, here incorrect syntax. Okay. So you are getting the order and its cells amount. So here what I'll do that I'll use round functions which will round my values to 2 digit. Let's see. Yeah, I do not want such a big value, so I have rounded to the next value. So here I'll use a city function with cells edge. My table name I'm taking it as a cells as. Okay, then select star from cells. This is my cells table. So if I'll do this, you will be getting the value. Now my next is I want to get the previous year cell. So I'll be using lag function. So how I'll use it? Select lag. Okay.
Lag. Hmm.
Yeah. Then I'll use cells amount because here I've given the abbreviation like alias as the cells, sum of cells as the cells amount, and I need immediate like previous year cell. Like to see you have 2021. I want to show 2020, then 2018 like that. Okay. Here we can use descending so that it will show you the data properly in descending order. Achha, here I cannot use, but instead. Group by, order by, one descending. Let's do. Yeah. See. So one descending means I am referring to this order here. Okay. Instead of writing order here, you can put the sequence how it is there also. You like if you have multiple columns, instead of writing order year, order date, order ID, all these stuffs, you can put 1, 2, 3, 4 also the sequence wise. So it will order the data in that way. So leg amount. So I need 2020, like immediate previous year I want to compare. So I'll put 1 over here. Okay. Then over under what basis I want to descend the data under the order like year wise I want to do. So over order by order year descending. Okay. From as what is the column we are deriving? It is the previous year sales.
Previous.
Year sales from cells. Okay. From the sales table. Let's run this. Incorrect sentence. Where is my incorrect sentence? Acha, with sellers I have not done. Okay. Ordered by clause. Acha, I need to remove this. We cannot use it over here. Okay, here I have not used order year. Order year, comma, cells amount, comma, lag. Okay, see here 2021, it doesn't have any previous, it's like it's 2022, it's showing next. I use lead or lag?
We used lag actually.
Okay, see what is it is happening. 2021. It doesn't have any previous years. Like 2022 data is not there. So it is like null. 2020 has it is data is there. So it is like you can in 2022 you will get 2021 year cells. Now 2019 you will get 2020 data cells, and 2018 you will be getting 2019 data cells. Now you can get the cells percentage, like deviations, how much deviations happened between 2019 to 20. Is it the cells increase, decrease? If it is increase, decrease, how much percentage has happened? So using lag functions you will be getting the previous year cell. Similarly, we'll use lead functions as well.
Lead will give data in the ascending order, right?
Yeah, it will give the data as the next year cells. See here, it is giving my next year, like 2021, 2022. So it is getting 2022 data. Similar 2019, it is giving me 2019 data here. 2019, 18, it is giving 18 data here. 2018, I do not have 2017 data. So it is coming as a null. So clear for lead lag?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next concept is how to remove the duplicate. How to delete the duplicate from the table. Delete duplicate from table. How we'll be doing it? So let me take a table. Select star from students result. Let's see. No, not this one. I believe this is. Table action student. No, not this table as well. I need to, okay, let's take this only. So if you'll see over here, it is like employee ID in employee name, age, date of joining. I have one more table as well. I'm not able to figure it out where I have created it. Let me see. Just give me a minute, huh? I'll check which table I have. Yes, no, not this one. I think this is the one, employee duplicate. See the output point. Yeah, this is the table where we need to remove the duplicates. So which all are the duplicates? We have Raj is duplicate, then James is duplicate. Only Mohan doesn't have duplicate. So how to identify the duplicate? Well, first we'll identify the duplicate. So select ID, first name, then last name, comma, country, comma, row number, partition by ID. Okay. Order by first name, last name, comma, country, as Joe from dbo.employee do. Let's see how it is coming. Acha, over, I forgot over here. Over. Invalid column name, first name, last name. It is first name, last name, right? Okay, underscore is not there. First name. There is no underscore, so last name. Fine. So with this, see, for Raj, everywhere I'm getting 111. Let me put partition by yeah. Yes, you can see now. Look at here. See Raj. I'm getting for Raj the first row first value is 1.
2.
The second is 2. So I want
2.
to remove this 2.
Okay.
Similarly, for Mohan it is only 1. For James it is 1, 2, 3. Okay. So what I'll do now, I'll write a CTE functions with dupe edge select star from do where this do where also you can, I'll put just do count over here. I cannot give the same name to this. Dupe count greater than 1. Okay. So wherever it is greater than 1, see it is greater than 1. Now we want to delete the data. So instead of select, you can put delete. So before deleting, let me take a backup. So now what is, now I want to delete the data. So instead of select from, I will put delete. So it will delete the data from this table. Okay. So what I'm doing, I have selected, let's take this table instead of dupe so that I'll explain you. Okay, fine. Now let's put select start from. So what I'm doing over here, I have 4 columns, right? ID, first name, last name, and country. I'm selecting all the columns. I'm doing row number, then partition by, I'm putting all the columns. Order by also, I'm taking all the columns. Then based on that values, it is getting sorted out. Like for, okay, we'll do one thing here. Let me see if I can put order by. No, already I have put order by. Okay, fine. Based on that, right, it is getting sorted out. Let me put order by ID if it will work or not. Let's see here. Order by ID. Let's see it is working or not. No. Yeah. Ordered by ID. Um, Okay, let's see. I do not know why it is descending, it's not working. Okay, so but here you can see for this particular rows, I have Raj has two values. So based on I'm partitioning with first name, last name, and country. So it is providing the unique row number to these values. So first row is row number 1, second is 2. So why what I have done, I'm deleting the record which is having row number greater than 1. So whichever is row number greater than 1, that all are my duplicate records. So I'm deleting that record. Clear, or anyone has any doubt?
So is that gonna delete every record which is greater than one? Like
Yeah, it
three.
will in table, if any record which is greater than 1, it will delete all the records.
You mean James and okay, okay, got it.
It will give you unique record. You can identify the duplicate like this also. You know that aggregated function, you can use that as well and identify the record, duplicate record. Like ID, do not use ID is a primary key, but you can use first name, last name. You can use in this way, but how to delete the record with using this, I'll tell you when we'll do the exist one. So you can use this way as well. This particular table you can use group by, then see, these all questions they will ask in the interview. How to identify the duplicate, how to delete the duplicate, because this we do every day. It is our day-to-day activity in ETL testing. So we do every day. It one type of scenario. It is that you need to check the duplicate records. Why I do not have any? Oh, acha, backup. I will use this table, not that table. You can use in this way. This is a very simpler one. If you want to, if you have any doubt with row number, you can use simply like this. Select the columns, put count star, select all the natural key present in the table. Whenever you are testing, right, like in ETL testing you are doing, you will get one STTM document. STTM document is what? Source to target mapping document. In that it will be mentioned what are the list of natural key present in the table. Like it is the primary key, which will be we using that particular primary key will be identifying the like it will give you the unique record. If you using that natural key, you will get unique record inside the tables. So you need to take that particular natural key and find it out the duplicates inside the table. If you are not confident about row number, you can use this way, like select all natural key present in your table, comma count star, group by that having count star greater than 1. This will give you the duplicate records in the table. Or you can use in this way also. Here also you need to select all the natural key, comma row number, partition by all the natural key, order by, you can give anything, whichever is the sequential number, and from DB order, from the table name, then you can put where the duplicate count greater than 1. I have given alias as a dupe count. Whatever alias you will give over here, you can put it over here. Okay, clear this? Guys, it is clear, or you want me to explain again? Are you guys there, or am
Yes,
I
Arpita.
audible? Yeah,
Yes,
is
Arpita.
it clear?
Yes, Arpita.
Okay, next is case statement. So what is the case statement? This we need to use whenever you are writing some you want to derive any value and that value is not there inside your table. Using that data you want to derive some value, you need to use case statement. So suppose I have a table called, select star from, I have a table called student result. Okay, so this is a table. Here I have this many data. Let me put it in the Excel. So here I have a table. See, Here I have row number, student name, major subject, aggregate percentage. So I have a requirement wherever economics and sociology is there, I need to put it as a like I need to create one department column, and I need to put it as a first economics. I need to put humanities is the department. Then sociology, I need to put the department as a humanities, and for rest of the thing, geology, sociology, physics, sorry, geology, geology, and physics. These all will come under science. So this is my requirement. One of my requirement I need to achieve it using the case statement. How to do it? So So this is my requirement which I need to achieve to.
ए,
Okay,
तुम
so
6 बजे से पहले कभी नहीं आते हो, ठीक है?
guys, can you go on mute? Okay, so this is this is my requirement. Wherever I have economics, I need to derive a department called humanities. Wherever economics and sociology is there, it is humanities, and rest of the things like geology, geology and physics, I need to put as a science. So how I'll do it? Let's do it using the case statement. So here what we'll do, I have this table, select, start from student result. Okay, so here I'll write a case statement. So select, I need roll number, I need roll number. Okay, then I need student name. Then I need major subject. Okay, comma, how we will write case, when, then your major subject in economics, comma, then economics and sociology, then it is what? Humanities. Else it is science. Because I have two values. If you have multiple values, you can write all the values. And H, what is my department? From the tables. Now you can see with this, I'll be getting wherever economics is there and sociology is there, I'm getting humanities, and wherever geology, physics, everything is there, I'm getting science. So this scenario is clear for case statement. Guys, it is clear? Yes or no?
So is there anything else in place of case we can use it?
No, you need to
Okay.
write case statement here.
Okay, if we want to convert it.
Like it will treat as a if else statement, because if else statement you can write on PL SQL, but here you can use case statement. Using case statement, you can suppose you have something like this, right? You can see here you have aggregated percentage. I need to derive the grade. So my grade will be whoever is having above 90 above, they will be getting A plus. Okay. Whoever will fall under 80 to 90, they will be falling under A. 80 to 90 will be in 80 to 90, it will be A. Okay. Then next is, sorry. Next is whoever is falling 70 to 80, they will be B. 70 to 80, they will be B. Okay. So whoever will falling under 70 to 80, that is B. And then this fellow will be A. This is A plus. This is B. This is A plus. Then whoever is falling below that, it is C. Whoever
C.
is falling like 60 to 68, it is C.
D.
Whoever is
C.
falling 50 to 60, they are
D.
falling under D. So how we'll write this sort of things? So you can do in this way. You can go here, select row number,
Percentage.
you can select all this. Okay, apart from that, let me put aggregate percentage also. Aggregate. Yeah, comma. Here you will write case when, okay, when your aggregate percentage greater than 90 and aggregate percentage less than 100, then A plus. A plus. Okay. Then again you write like when aggregate percentage greater than 80 and aggregate percentage less than 90, then A. Then again, when aggregate percentage greater than 70 and aggregate percentage less than 80, then it is B. Okay, when then aggregate percentage greater than 60 and aggregate percentage less than less than 70, then it is C. Else, I need to put else statement as well. Else D. Apart from this, whatever criteria it is falling, I'm putting everything as a D because I do not have any other slab. I have slab T 50. 56 is my last one. So I do not have any other slab. Here you can see I have maximum value, minimum value is 55. So 59 to
55
55, yeah, 59 to
is
50,
D.
55 is my slab. So I have three slab. Like I'm putting 90 above 91 to 100, 99, 91 to 99. I'm putting in A plus. Okay. Then I'm putting 81 to 89. Sorry, 81 to 90. I'm putting it in the B plus. Sorry, A. Then I'm putting the 80 like 70 to 80. I'm putting in B. Then sorry, 70 to 80 I'm putting in B. Then 60 to 70 I'm putting in C. Basically 60 to 69 in C. Then 50 to 59 in D. Because this is my last slab. So here what I have done, I have written if it is greater than 90, less than 100, then this. If it is here, I'll put less than equal to, because here I put less greater than 90. So whichever is, if someone has scored 90, then it should come as A. So if it is aggregate percentage is greater than 70 and less than equal to 80, then it is B. Similarly, greater than 60 and less than equal to 70, it is C. Else D. Then you put AND as grade. Then we have a from. So now you can run the script. So how it is coming? See, 77. 77 is falling under which bracket? This bracket. So it is B. Now 68. 68 is falling under which bracket? C. So it is C. Now similarly 79. 79 is falling under which bracket? This bracket. So it is B. 70. 70 is falling under which bracket? It is C. Then 80. 80 is falling under which bracket?
B.
A. 80 is B. Yeah, it is in B. So 80 is B, falling in B. So it is B. 93. 93 is in this bracket. So it is A plus. 72. 72 is falling under which bracket? It is falling under B. So it
B.
is B. Yeah, 96. So 96 will be A plus. 88. 88 will be A. Now 59. 59 is under D because it is not falling under all this slab. So I have put a else statement. Apart from this slab, whichever is coming, it is my D. So I have put as a 59, 55 is D. 88 is A because it is falling under this bracket 80 to 90. So 90 is A. 90 is also falling under 80 to 90 slab. Now 91, it is falling under 90 to 100 slab. So it is A plus. Then 90, it is like 90 is falling under this bracket. So it is A. So in this way, you can write the case statement. Suppose you have the person, okay? In the person table, you have last name, first name and age. Age like this, it is there. You can see here in person table, you have last name, first name and age. Sorry, I do not have any data in this table. Let's take. Okay, let's take this superstore. Let's see. Superstore data. Okay. You can see over here, superstore data. I have like consumer. Okay, let's see. Can I get something with this? No, let me see if I have any other data. No, I do not have any data over here, but suppose you want to get suppose you have a data sort of like this, okay? Like you have a employee name, then you have, sorry, employee name, then you have age. Achha, I have one more data. Let's see whether it will work or not. This one. Let's check this. Let's put this one more query. What is this employee? Details. Okay, this is my table. I'm creating it. The next is I need to insert the record. So insert into. 21 employee. Then okay, I do not want to put this and insert. Salary, state code is FL, gender is MN, employee ID is this. Acha, fine. I need to change the table name. Let's put it like this. Acha, identity primary key it is there. Let's put it this values. Next is I'll insert few more values like this. Comma. Put this as well. Comma. Next is this as well. Okay, now let's insert the data. All 9 rows got inserted. Now, this is my table. Employee details. This is my table. Okay, we have this data. Let me put it. Sorry, let me put it right. Okay, so we have this much salary. So whose salary is greater than 80,000 is a director. Okay, let's put it like this. He is VP. Okay, whose salary is this. Then next is this one is VP. Okay. Next is whose salary is between 70,000 to that. Then he is a solution architect. No, let's put AVP first. AVP. Okay. And who is 90,000 is the director. More than 90,000, he is the director. Then who is having more than 70, they all are VP, AVP. These all are AVP. Then who is having between 60 to 70, he is a solution architect. And who is having 40 to that, there is a technical lead. So TL. Okay, so can anyone help me to get this derived column? I need the designation column using case statements. Can anyone help me? Let me ask the name. Yeah. Hi, Ma. Can you help me to write the query? See, this is my requirement. This is my requirement. I have between 80, like this is my requirement. Above 90,000, it is AVP. The designation is, designation is director, is the director of that company. Above 80,000, he is a AVP. Above 80,000, he is a VP. Next, above 70,000, he is ABP. Then above 60,000, above 60,000, he is a solution architect. Above 50,000, he is a senior technical lead, STL. Then above 40,000, he is a technical lead, and rest all are software engineer. This is my requirement. Can anyone help me? No, Haima has to tell me how to write. Tell me.
Select star from.
Select. Okay, wait a minute. Let me first put the select star from. This is my table name. I believe this is my table name. Yeah. Now you tell me, this is the column name you can able to see, and tell me on the derived column. I need to calculate the designation. How to do it? Yeah, go ahead.
So we have to show
Here
the
you need to derive this column, this designation column, you need to derive. Tell me how to do it.
So basically, that means we have to sort the table, right?
You tell me which way you want to do. Tell me based on the understanding, how you can derive that column.
Select star from.
Okay, select
DPO,
start from.
TPO, that employee details.
Okay.
Salary more than no designation, right?
I need a new column called designation. How I can achieve it?
New column.
Anyone else? Guys, I've given 2 examples. At least someone should come up. It's not difficult one. Whenever I'm asking you, did you guys understand it or not? You are saying yes. But when I'm asking question, you are not answering. So tell me, who can help me on writing the script? I need a new column called designation along with the existing column. So who can help me to write it? Aswini, can you try? Ashwini, are you there? Are you there?
Yes, Arpita.
Can you try?
We have to use in joins, right?
No, I'm teaching case statement. You are talking about join. Rajkumari, can you try?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you tell me how to write this? My expected result is this one. I need a column called designation along with the existing column. So how I can write it this query for this?
Okay, select What are the
Yeah.
columns? Select employee ID, employee name, gender, state
No,
code.
my table is this one down. Employee ID, correct. Go ahead. Employee ID.
Employee name,
Okay.
and next is the gender,
Okay.
state code,
Mhm. Yeah, next.
and then case when. The next
Case
we'll
when.
use what we are using, salary, right?
Yeah.
Case when are we gonna use the aggregate salary, right?
No, this salary only. No aggregate salary.
Okay, salary
Yeah.
is greater than, what is it? Greater than 93? No.
No, you need to follow this love. Here I have written, right? Greater than 90,000. Like, let me put
Yes.
it there.
Yeah.
Okay. You need to follow this love. If it is greater than 90, then it is
90,000.
director.
Yes.
Okay. 90,000, then it is
Director.
director.
Then, yeah, single inverted comma. Yes.
Then when,
Then
again you
when
need to write when
salary is greater than the next, which we gonna take it, was
80,000, then it is
BP. Is it BP?
greater than equal to, then it is BP. Then
Then when salary is greater than ABP.
it is solution architect.
And at the end we'll use else, right?
Yeah. See, then we'll put and H. Third
And
derived column name you need to put here. Derived
salary.
column name is,
Salary.
my derived column name is designation.
Oh, is it? Oh,
Okay.
yes, yes. Sorry.
So now you can run it. See, wherever, okay, I didn't select salary. So wherever it is like, wherever it is like salary greater than 90,000, so it is like ABP, then greater than 80, greater than equal to 80 ABP, then greater than equal to 70, it is solution architect, then greater than equal to 50, it is STL, then greater than equal to, greater than equal to 50, it is STL, greater than 40, it is TL, and greater than like the rest of the things, it is the software engineer. Apart from that, so Haima and Aswini, did you guys get it? How to write the case statement?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Arpita.
So basically, we have to after the select start from, then we have to put all the column names, and then
Yeah, can you tell me one more? Suppose it is gender is M, then I need to put one more column called M. M means it is male, F means female. I need to put it like my requirement is instead of male, I need to put male. M instead of M, I need to put a column male, and instead of F, I need to put female. So how to do it? Either Haima, you can try.
Yeah, so we have to change the gender, right?
Yeah, instead of M, you need to put male, and instead of F, you need to put female.
Okay. Um,
Yeah, can you tell me?
else, so it will be the same as above, but we have to change
Okay,
uh,
tell me.
the gender instead of designation.
Tell me how to write.
Select star employee ID.
Oh, okay. Star, comma, I've given means it will select all the columns from the table. Okay.
Yeah.
If you'll put star, comma, if you'll put,
Okay.
then it will select
Yeah.
all the columns from the table.
Yeah. Case employee ID and okay. When
Okay.
female gender
When gender equal to M, M, oh sorry, equal to M, then it is male. Okay.
yeah.
Then when one more conditions. Sorry.
When gender equal to
When gender equal to
F,
F, then
then female.
it is female. Here I do not have any else statement, so simply I'm writing end age,
And as gen,
derived gender column
column, yeah, derived underscore.
from the table name. What is my table name? This is my table name.
Employee DBO dot employee underscore details.
This is my table name. See here what is happening. Wherever M is there, it is coming as a male. Wherever F is there, it is coming as a female. So in this way, you need to write case statements. Okay. So today's class, whatever we have covered, anyone has any doubt?
No, Arpita.
Tomorrow is the last class for SQL. In that, I will cover views in and exist and subquery and stored procedure. So I'll be taking only one class for the SQL for tomorrow. Then 21 onwards, I'm going on leave. So we'll meet again on 5th of January. Once from 5th onwards, I'll be starting the ETL concept. So I request all of you guys to go through the ETL things, even SQL also, whatever you learned so far. So this case statement, deleting the duplicates, set operator, Windows function, these all would be needed when you write script in your SQL project. So you need all these concepts should be clear. Without that, you cannot do any, you cannot write any SQL statement. And update also needed. Suppose you generally you are not required to update the table, but if you are working on some dev environment or Q environment, you can update the table. So you should know update also. So go through all this concept, whatever I taught so far, so you can able to understand the next part. That will be like what are the scenario will be going to test. So I'll be taking some, like I'll be giving some live project, like live project in the sense I'll giving some dummy project. In that we'll see how we can test from source to target data. So that I will be doing after the vacation.
Okay, and Arpita, we have to create all the tables to practice in scale workbench.
Yeah, you need to create the tables.
Okay.
Okay. Arpita, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
When we are using case, instead of that, can we use concat because it's also used for creating a column, right?
No. Concat is for joining the two columns or two
Oh, okay.
strings or
Yes,
words.
yes,
Not
yes,
concat
yes.
is not same as cache.
Yeah. Sorry. Thank
So
you.
concat
here
is used for joining the two words. Suppose you have two columns, first name and last name. You want to derive a column called full name. That time you
Yes.
can use concat
Concat. That.
functions.
Yes. Now I recalled it. Thank you. Sorry.
Okay. So any other doubt?
No, Arpita.
Okay, fine. Then we'll wrap up the session. Tomorrow we'll meet and I'll take the last class for SQL tomorrow.
and how many
Thank you,
more classes
Arpita.
ETL, Arpita?
I think another maximum 10 classes, another, not more than that.
Okay.
Okay. So after vacation only, I'll take that one.
Okay.
Like fourth, I'll be back. So I'll take the classes from fifth onwards.
Okay.
Okay. Fine then. Thank you for joining.
Yeah.
Thank you, Arpita.
Bye, Arpita. Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.